What's up guys, Sal here. So we're less than 24 hours away from the Unpacked event, and as expected, we're getting some hands-on videos of the products that are gonna launch at the event. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 have been completely revealed in a hands-on video. I'll put the link of the full video in the description box below, do check it out. But to summarize that video, the crease is still the same on the Z Fold 3 as its predecessor, which is a letdown to be honest, considering Huawei's Mate X2 barely has one. And I guess that's due to the Mate X2 not having an ultra thin glass. And it's certainly a drawback of the tech for now, but it provides protection, so I ain't gonna complain much. But in any case, just like the Z Fold 2, the crease won't come in the way of the user experience. And just like the crease, you can also see the under display camera, provided if you're directly looking at it and when the display is off. Otherwise, it's not really that noticeable. The front cover display looks identical to its predecessor, even the bezels and the size of the punch hole, but the handset looks great from the back with that matte finish and that stop sign camera design. We also have a look at the Galaxy Z Flip 3, and again the inner display looks identical to its predecessor, but it has a bigger cover display, almost twice the size, and that looks really good. Not only that, we also have a hands-on video of the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, which shows the Wear OS UI for the very first time on Samsung's wearable. It's very different from what Samsung users are accustomed to, but it looks good and the animations are smooth. I guess that's due to the collaboration between Samsung and Google, and also because of the new 5nm processor the Watch 4 is coming with. Max Weinberg has also shown some animations of the new features of the Galaxy Watch 4. First up, the body composition. It basically tells you how fat you are, how many muscles do you have, and all of that stuff. It shows how you can measure it and at what angles you need to keep your arms to make it work. Next up, there will be a new call animation. Instead of swiping left or right, now you'll have to swipe in a circular motion while receiving a call. The Watch 4 will also have a blood oxygen monitoring sensor that monitors your oxygen levels, which is a great addition considering the pandemic we're living in. Finally, here's how the UI looks while you're exercising. With that said, now that we have seen the hands-on videos, let me know what you think about the new foldables and the Watch 4 in the comments down below. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.